Today, we'll be talking about one of my favorite brokers out there because honestly, I think this is one of the best brokers to use in 2025, and that is StoicFX. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into this amazing broker. So this is StoicFX, and I've been trading with these guys for a few months now, and I thought I'd make this video because honestly, this is one of the easiest brokers to use simply because they have super fast speeds, super cheap spreads, and they even have access to MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, and they have their own mobile app as well here. So no matter where you are, you can be trading using them, and there's very little restrictions on the countries you can trade from as well, simply because of their regulation. So lots and lots of tick boxes already, but as well as that, even if you are a smaller time trader, you can have a minimum deposit here of $10. Most other platforms out there will be asking for $250, $500 minimum deposit, and even their minimum withdrawals are that high as well. Whereas with StoicFX, you can see the minimum deposit's $10, the minimum withdrawal is $20. So perfect for the beginner trader to just get their feet wet and basically trade without worrying about losing their money to the broker or having to deposit more just so you can withdraw. Now, when it comes to speed and spread here, guys, these guys have the best spreads that I've found from any broker. And the reason for this, I believe, is because of their technology. This is a bit of a newer broker out there, and there are many benefits to using a newer broker like this. Because if you are a newer broker, you're going to use a lot more modern technology, allowing for faster speeds and cheaper spreads. This just gives you an edge as a trader because you're not going to have as much slippage, and it's just going to be better all round for your average entries. Now, another thing that is benefited by this advanced technology is the liquidity. These guys have some of the best liquidity and the deepest liquidity that I've seen from any broker. And yes, you can also see their fully cross-margin, single margin accounts and APIs are designed to deliver liquidity exactly and where you need it. These guys have an expert liquidity management team and proprietary analytical algorithms, which basically means the whole system is benefited from this super advanced liquidity. Guys, if you're looking to grow your social media, you should definitely be using SMM Go, the sponsor of this video. These guys provide real views, real services, and they have a fantastic support system as well. And to be honest, guys, every YouTuber that gets big starts out using an SMM service, and this is how you can turn your social media into an absolute rocket ship. So don't just take my word for it. Head to smmgo.io today and change your socials for the better with real likes, real views, and real growth across the board. Check it out in the description, and let's get back to the video. Now, if we go to their reviews here, we can see they are gleaming with 5-star reviews from a lot of different people. Mark here, for example, says, fast execution is everything for my intraday strategy. With StoicFX, I've noticed virtually no slippage, even during peak market hours. It's exactly what I want and need for consistent performance. This is great. Other brokers during congested hours might suffer a lot more slippage as they have older technology and they just simply haven't upgraded it because their systems are too wide and they've scaled too much. And it would be extremely expensive for their upgrades. That is why I think StoicFX is a great pick because they have that newer technology, they are a newer broker, and that's just going to allow everyone's experience to be a lot better with that cheaper price for spreads and of course the fastest transaction times. Now, as well as that, they have incredible education and a support system for this platform, which basically means if you are an advanced trader or a beginner trader, you can actually talk to these guys and learn from them via their help center, in which, yes, you can actually learn a lot about trading. And even me, who've been trading for 10 years plus now, guys, I actually learned a few things from their education platform. So great stuff there. Now, signing up for Stoic is super easy, guys. All you got to do is enter your email, password, first name, last name, phone number, and your country, and then you're going to have to submit an ID. This is absolutely normal for any broker, so don't worry about that. Once you've been approved, which literally only takes a few hours here, guys, you can simply deposit and get trading right away. And honestly, guys, that minimum deposit and minimum withdrawal is so low that it's worth just checking it out, trying a few trades and seeing how you feel. So definitely check that out in the description. It's also important to note for credibility that Stoic is verified on Omni, which is a FINRA thorough licensed app which only onboards the best licensed and trustworthy regulated brokers. StoicFX is on there, which basically means that your money is safe and secure, and they deal with real liquidity providers. So definitely check out Stoic in the description, guys. Give it a go yourself. Personally, this is my favorite broker right now, simply because of that modern technology and instant transaction times. But that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.